I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production. Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Night's Kitchen. Okay? So, a lot of the subscribers out there has been asking for me to do a vegan dish. Okay? So, what I'm going to prepare today is a vegan dish. So, what I've got here, yeah? I've got pop choy, yeah? Carrot, cucumber. I've also got okra, broccoli. And we got this thing we call chocho in Jamaica, so I'm only using half. Yeah? So I'm just gonna prepare this now. So because it's a vegan dish, I'm using a green cutting board, which is just purely vegetable cut on this board. Okay? So if I start cutting up my my pop choy, just go through them so I can have them in some small pieces. And I just start cutting through that like very simple and quick. Okay? So that's the pop choy there. I've got two pop choy. Or pop choy. Whichever one you want to call it. Guys, if you're doing a vegan dish, you have to keep everything separate. If you're cooking, you're preparing a vegan dish, you make sure you clean on the entire area before you start anything. So at least you know you get rid of basically anything that is not what you're going to be preparing for. Because if you're vegan, you need to take it seriously. I'm going to prepare the cucumber. I'm going to keep the skin on, in this case. The green is good enough. Guys, everything go in it. Just mix it. As I go along, I just mix everything. So everything become one. There you go, carrot. This is my, in Jamaica we call this chocho. So this is my chocho. I'm going to cut them very thin, very thin. And guys, I'm cutting this really quick, but if you can't do it, don't follow me. Just cut it as how you can cut these things, yeah? Years of experience doing it, so nothing for me, not scared. Broccoli, you know, not gonna cut them up too small, but I'm going to leave the okra for last. I'll prepare the okra at the end, close to the end of the this. There you go. If you can give it a mix, you give it a mix, or you can just leave it until you start steaming it. So that's all prepared ready. So I'm going to prepare the seasoning. So I've got onion, spring onion that is, scallion, sweet peppers, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and I've got 2 tomatoes. I've just choose 2 tomatoes. You can do 1 or whatever you're doing. You know, but I'm just gonna put use 2. So just cut these down in small particles, small bits. Guys, I've also got garlic. I don't really cook without garlic. I love garlic, yeah? Just cut those a few bits. There you have it. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So, I have my Dutch pot going, yeah? Low heat, low flame. And I'm not going to add my seasoning to the pot, yeah? What I have in my pot is olive oil. Just, that's it. I just got my seasoning there. Then I got a bit of all-purpose on it. When you do your seasoning like this, guys, you get maximum flavor from it. So you kind of fry it before you add your vegetables or whatever you're doing. And guys, when you're working in a kitchen, you clean as you go. Don't wait until you finish. Or you get somebody to clean while you're preparing your food, you know? But if you're at home, you do what you like. But you're cooking large amount of food, like I do on a regular basis, I get somebody to just wash up. I have a virgin here woman, when I cook lots of food, them man they wash up everything fast. Yes. So I'm going to add my vegetables now, guys. And you saw me cutting the vegetable earlier. I've made sure I've washed them, okay? You always wash your vegetables before you put them, you cook them or anything. Anything that goes in the pot, wash it. I think I said that several times now. Again, low flames, guys. What you can do, just add a little tip of salt just to enhance the flavor. That's it, nothing more than that. You don't even have to stir it, guys. Give it about 5 to 10 minutes. Just put the lid down, turn on the stove, low flame. Not too low, and let it the heat just catch the vegetable. Yes, viewers, so look at the vegetables. So that's what I'm saying. It's vegan dish, so you don't have to worry about killing up yourself about it. You know, it's simple stuff. And guys, this dish, you can prepare it within 15-20 minutes. So if you're coming from work, you know what I mean? You can knock this up really quick. And guys, what you can also put in here is, if you got a bit of butter, if you have like vegan butter or just normal butter, if you're not fussy about it, you can just a little bit in there. Just to enhance the flavor, you know? But for me, if I'm having this, I'm happy to have it like this. And look how beautiful that looks, guys. And you don't have to have this with anything. You could just steam that and eat it exactly as it is. Yes guys, so at this point I'm going to add the okra to it. Okay? I'm just going to add the okra to it, and while I add the okra, I just give it a stir. Make sure I mix everything in together. Guys, I wish I was here to actually, just the aroma, it's crazy, it's lovely. Not crazy as it's going to matter, but it's lovely. Smell. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So as you can see, steamed veg, vegan dish, complete. No meat, pure vegetables, carrot, cucumber, and guys, if you have pumpkin, you can put pumpkin in there. So everything is just pure ground from the ground. No meat, no animal product. Yes, viewers and subscribers, so vegan dish. So all the guys out there who have put in their request for me to do one, have a look. So that's just pure vegan. This is just purely vegan. Anyone can have it. Okay, so I've got lots of different vegan dish I can do for you guys. So this is just one example. Okay, so guys, stay tuned for more videos coming. Please subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the notification button for a lot more videos coming. So comment, share. Have a good day out there, guys. Stay safe. One love.